Introduction. The advent of 3D printing has brought about a technological revolution, transforming the way we design, create, and manufacture objects. This groundbreaking technology has opened up new possibilities across various industries, from healthcare and aerospace to fashion and architecture. In this article, we will explore the fascinating world of 3D printing, its applications, and the impact it has on the future of manufacturing. What is 3D printing? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing. 3D printing is a process of creating three-dimensional objects by layering materials on top of each other. Unlike traditional subtractive manufacturing methods, where material is removed from a larger block, 3D printing builds objects layer by layer, following digital designs. This method enables the creation of complex geometries and intricate details that were previously difficult to achieve. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.